Okay, and then with my standard bread dough, I make it a pizza. So the cheese sauce, I'm going to use a cheese sauce, cheesy bacon sauce I'm going to use. And then I put 2 hamburgers in the air fryer and just went 5 minutes on them because I needed a quick protein. And then I'm going to add pepperonis. But let me show you how I do that with some of my bread dough. All right. And I'm just going to do two big spoons of this sauce. And anything left over I could put in another dish. All right, so I already pre-grated some cheese here. So I'm just going to put that on the pizza. And I did put avocado, about a teaspoon in the bottom underneath this crust here. Not really enough to save, so may as well put that cheese on there. All right, and then I, again, cooked the hamburger for about 5 minutes. I did not cook it all the way because I didn't want it to get overdone in the oven. All right, and then we're just going to take that and sprinkle that all over the pizza. I had these pepperonis stored in my freezer. And just like that, we have dinner. So I'm going to get that in the oven. It's at 425 degrees, and I'm going to put it in for about 15 minutes. But I'll take a look at it as the time progresses. All right, so I did some Brussels sprouts. I steamed them in the microwave. I did about a teaspoon of butter, garlic powder, onion powder, and some pepper. Just season it to your preference, if you like that. This is our vegetable tonight, so. All right, and let me grab that pizza. So I did another teaspoon of butter here. Again, just put some garlic powder in there. About a half a teaspoon. If you want more, do more. If you don't like it, leave it out. And here's the pizza. Doesn't that look so good? Ow, it's hot. Just put some butter on the crust here. And then I'm going to give it a lift. I'm going to take a look at the crust. If it's not done enough, we can put it on the cooktop and get that bottom browned. Little trick to making your cheese shine. Restaurant quality right there. All right, let's give it a little lift here. All right. Ooh, the bottom looks good. Let's see. I'll go here. I'll get it cut and then I'll show you. Look at the bottom. Delicious. And I know this pizza is delicious, but I'll try a piece for you. All right. Yum. I always say if it's not burning my mouth, it's not hot enough. Mmm. Delicious. Mm-hmm. And you've seen how fast I put that together. You can have a fast, delicious meal before any delivery ever showed it up at your door. How'd you like that? I know. You could have this pizza made before any delivery showed up at your door. So, thank you for watching and thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, God bless. God bless. Until next time. Yeah? No. Until next time, God bless. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. And let me know what your favorite pizza topping is.